Hello, in front of me I've got Toyota CHR. In this video I'll show you how to manage steering wheel buttons. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can change volume of the radio station and the radio source. Thanks to this button we can activate voice assistant, we can end and answer calls. On the right side we've got the panel thanks to which we can navigate through instrument cluster. We can switch trip A, trip B, we can change menu, and also we can adjust forward collision warning, lane assistant, and activate cruise control. Of course, if you press right here, you will use horn. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.